Sadhu darshan means two things. Dristi, see with the eyes, and see with the mind. Darshan means to see, and darshan means philosophy. And philosophy, tattva siddhanta. Tattva siddhanta is grasped with the mind and intelligence, man and buddhi. This is how to attain perfection by sadhu sangha. Darshan. Oh, I see the sadhu. Pavitram. Pavitram darshan. Mangalam prabhav. Prabhav. Mangala prabhav. Very auspicious energy around the sadhu. People just go to be near sadhus. Sadhus are leading kirtan. They don't even know the sadhu doesn't know them. But they'll travel large distance just to be there in that kirtan. To be with that pure name and to be with that sadhu, the prabhav, the radiation, the influence. It's something extraordinary. When you're with sadhus and saints, you feel the energy. So this is something about Vrindavan. You have to understand what are the specialities. The specialities of Vrindavan that are not available anywhere else in the universe. Anywhere on this planet you can take books, you take a little murti, and you can study. You can study and develop your bhakti slowly. But in Vrindavan, we study the shastras and we chant the name, but all these other aspects. Only in Vrindavan is there Varsana. Go to Varsana. People make look-alike Varsanas and look-alike Nandagrams and look-alike Saptalaya Mandirs. I've seen it in different places in the world. They have the 7 temples of the Goswamis. It's nice. It's a nice picture, replica, reminder. But it's like, is there a difference between a picture of a beautiful girl and sitting next to one? Is there a difference between a picture of a beautiful girl and sitting next to one? Or a handsome man? Something. It's called the living, the Shakti, the living energy. We have a phrase in America: often duplicated, never imitated. You can duplicate something. You try to, he's super famous, he's wearing those kind of clothes, let me wear those clothes. You'll never be famous. You can wear every kind of clothes like him, but you'll never be famous. You can duplicate it. You can't imitate, you can't be that person. So Vrindavan is the same way. The samadhis, the temples, Parikrama, the sacred trees, the great sages and rishis, and the creepers and latas are all lady devotees and devis from the heavenly planets that come to Braj as creepers. And munis and rishis and vashishta, they're all here as trees. And it's a phenomenal place. So when you learn about Vrindavan Tattva, first thing, say if you move to Moscow, first thing you'll do is get a road map, find out what's the street, what's going on here, where's Main Street and all these places. You want to familiarize yourself and know about the place and the people, where are the parks and where's the disco and where's the library, where's the places. And you have to, that's the first year or so you're just trying to get in the groove of the place. So when you're coming to Vrindavan means, really, frankly speaking, living in Vrindavan means living in Vrindavan, in Brajadam.